So this is a very rare British Seagull outboard motor. Rare because it's, well, essentially brand new. It's never been run outside. It was run at the factory as a test. It was boxed. The box is deteriorated, but this has basically never been run more than just the test at the factory. It's absolutely mint. Well, it's basically brand new. And that's why it's so rare. So what model is this?
I think it's a Model 40.
And how old do you think it would be?
I'll tell you, I've got the receipt here.
In Australia. So
Oh, you bought here.
bought here.
Copson's.
So 189.75 in 1966. There it is.
The engine was built 65.
So it's a 1965 model engine.
Yeah. And that fold the receipt over and you'll see the name Copson's.
So what's that, the original toolkit?
That's the original toolkit there. Yeah.
So what's that got in it? Just the spark plug spanner? And...
Yeah. Starting cord.
Wow, look at that.
Look at that, spare springs.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good foolproof system.
So that spring just saves the prop. So you hit something, it winds up.
Spring.
Yeah, winds up the spring, and then breaks the spring.
Clear the obstacle.
Comes
It
spin.
just keeps on going.
Yeah, and if
you
not,
don't clear the obstacle, breaks the spring.
yeah. So
Then it breaks the spring.
it's a pretty simple way of doing it,
Very
isn't it?
simple.
And that essentially that's the beauty of the Seagull, isn't it? It's just very,
simple.
very, very simple.
Yeah.
Not very environmentally friendly, but very, very simple.
They made them just before the war. The Second World War was the first ones made.
And that tank's never had petrol in it.
Never. No.
That's beautiful.
So I swapped my service tools for that.
So, and how did he come? He was the one who bought it from the
Brand
factory.
new.
From the factory.
From, I've got the receipt here somewhere, if I can find it.
And why did he never use it? Just never.
Oh, well, he was going to build a catamaran to put it on, he never did.
I wanted to build a boat, but I never did. Yeah, how many times has that happened?